Want to learn how to play the classic Christmas song, Silent Night by the Temptations? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Kerry Smooth. If you're brand new to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. Also click the bell that you're notified every time we drop a new video. All right, so let's jump right in. It's a classic R&B song, Christmas song by the Temptations, Silent Night. So I'm gonna show you my approach to how we play this song. I'm gonna play along with the song and I'm gonna pause here and there to kind of show you different tidbits. Now the song is in the key of C. So we're gonna do a lot of 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1 kind of descending. And let me show you that before we even get started. So it's like a lot of this. So for those who don't really know the number system, I'll let you know the chords. So it's like a C major 7, D minor 7, E minor 7, F, F, E, D, C, to that 5, which is like a sus. Okay, so let's jump into the song. On that 1, then walk up, walk back down. You can pause it right there. So what we were doing now is we're talking about going to that sus. So what we do when we go to that sus? So I'm doing that sus. So essentially like I'm playing like an F. With my pinky, I'm playing that G. With my thumb, I'm playing that G. And I'm gonna drop off my index finger and my pinky. We're gonna go to the top of the song, back to the C. Okay. So what I'm doing right there is I'm thinking of a different approach. Again, like I'm going to show you just a kind of a different way that you can play that walk up. So we get to that 5, that diminished. Going back to that flat 5. So that's kind of one of those classic like turnarounds, like when you're thinking about, especially for church, like my church players. Again, classic R&B turnaround. So just begin. You can learn that one particular turnaround because you're going to use it in a lot of different songs. And for my church players, you're going to use it in church as well. So again, let me show you that turnaround. So off of that 5, that diminished 6, I'm going to chromatic down. That flat 5. Welcome to that 5. That first sus4. Back to that 1. I'm interested in to know what you heard and what you're playing in that particular song of Silent Night. Drop it in the comments below because I definitely want to learn what you're doing. Also, I want to see your approach. That's it for today. But if you're brand new to this channel, again, subscribe to this channel, click the bell so that you're always notified. If you want to do an even greater, deeper dive and you want to unlock your full potential as an R&B guitar player, go to kerry2smooth.com because I have all of the courses that are going to help you get you sweet on guitar. So have a great one. That's it for today, and I'll talk to you next time. See you next week.